September 29th, 2020 review. So number 1, evaluate and identify the first step. So we've been doing this in class. Now, we have our please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or our order of operations over here to the left. We have our magic wand, and we have our expression. So first we're going to evaluate, which means we're going to solve it. Then we're also going to identify the first step. So let's evaluate it first. All right, so we have 12 minus 3, and the quantity of 12 minus 3 times 6 minus 2 plus 4 to the third power. So what are we going to do here? Well, in this case, we're going to take a look over here. Do we have any parentheses? Yes, we do have parentheses. And where are the parentheses? What is in those parentheses? Let's find them. Beep, 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 beep. So here are our parentheses. We have 12 minus 3. Inside those parentheses, 12 minus 3. Well, what's 12 minus 3? 12, 11, 10, 9. So you should get 9. So I put it in a different color so we could see. So now we have our 9 here, and then we're bringing everything else down we did not use yet. So that times 6 minus 2 plus 4 to the third power. Now, do we have any more parentheses? Nope, I'm going to check that off. Check. How about exponents? Do we have any exponents? Yeah, I see exponents. Where are the exponents? Beep, 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 beep. There's our exponent. So we have 4 to the third power. Remember, that means 4 times 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, and then 16 times 4 is going to give us 64. So I wrote down the 64, and then I bring everything else down we didn't use yet because remember, we are family and we cannot leave anything left behind. So that 9 times 6 minus 2 and the plus. Then we have our 64. Do we have any more exponents? No, we don't. So I'm going to check that off. Check. How about multiplication and or division? Yeah, we do. And how do we go about that? Oh yeah, left to right. Left to right. All right, so here we go. We're going to take our little wand. We're going to go left to right. Beep, 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 beep. We have 9 times 6. Well, let's take a look. What do you think 9 times 6 is? Well, 9 times 6, I know that. That is 54. So I wrote down that 54 here. And then I'm going to bring everything else down we didn't use because remember, we cannot leave it behind. So that minus 2 plus 64. Now, do we have any more multiplication or division? Nope. So I'm going to check it off. Check. Bada bing, bada boom. Awesome, awesome. How about addition and subtraction? Yeah, we have both. Oh my goodness, how am I going to go about this? Oh yeah, from left to right. Duh. All right, so let's have our magic wand. We're going to go beep, 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 beep. All right, so we have 54 minus 2 here. 54 minus 2 is going to give us what? Oh, 52. All right, do we have any more addition and subtraction? Yes, we do. Don't forget we brought down that plus 64 because we did not finish it yet. So now we have 52 plus 64. So I'm going to use my magic wand. I'm going to go beep, 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 beep. 52 plus 64 is going to be our answer after we solve that. So when we do answer it, you should get 116. Now, there's nothing else to bring down because we did everything. So we're done with our addition and subtraction. There's no more math operations. So 116 is our answer. You can if you want to. You can if you want to circle it. You don't have to. But if you would like to, you can. The option is there for you. And that is our answer. But now we have to identify the first step. The first step. What was that first step we did? Oh yeah, we had those parentheses, that 12 minus 3. So my first step was 12 minus 3. I'm going to put that parentheses so we remember that's what we actually did. So that first step is 12 minus 3. Now we have completed our question and we are ready to move on. Great job.